Okay, next for question 7. Okay, so here we have the beginning balance for the assets and liability, right? And then di bawah ni kita ada cash balance, cash book, sorry. Okay, you have the information for your cash book. Alright, this is your debit part and this is your credit part. Okay, and then below here is your ending balance for your assets and also liabilities. Alright, okay, the question purposely specifically asks for T accounts, so semua adjustment will be done in T accounts form. Okay, tapi dia minta for 3 accounts only, that is your AR, AP, and also your salaries payable. Okay, so salaries payable, actually we are referring to this. Okay, this is your BF. Okay, and then this is the payments, the cash paid, and here is the CF. Alright, and then we need to calculate the opening capital, and then we'll need to find the ending balance for bank. Prepare the statement as usual. Okay, so for accounts receivable, so this is your beginning balance and this is your ending balance taken from the balance in the question. Lepas tu sales, you need to find sales actually. So cash ni kita ambil daripada cash book here, 25,560. So kita letak sebelah credit here. So the amount that you need to find is 23,418. Okay, so ini ialah credit sales. And then your cash sales tengok dekat sini here, 69484. So plus cash sales, so kita dapat sales RM30,402. Okay, AP pun kita buat benda yang sama. So this is your beginning balance, this is your ending balance. Purchase ni ambil daripada cash book. Okay, sebelah credit, sebab dia purchase kan, you need to pay for it. Sorry, the cash you need to find sebelah credit di cash book. Okay, so purchase ni is the amount that you need to calculate. Okay, so this is your credit purchase. Yang ni 2430 is your cash purchase. Okay, cash purchase kita ambil yang ni 2430. Okay, so you akan dapat purchase 22554. Okay, salaries expense, soalan minta memang dalam bentuk accounting. So kalau guna formula, okay, for your payable, right, it's actually cash paid, okay, plus CF. This is for me to check the answers, minus BF. Okay, so your cash paid in the question is taken from the cash book. Okay, so this is a cash paid 1350. Okay, so 1350 plus CF. CF in the question is here 272. Okay, and then we minus the BF. BF is 216. So memang kita akan dapat salaries expense is 1406. So yang ni kita akan masuk dalam income statement. Okay, so you need to find the beginning capital. This is opening, or sometimes in the question you come across with this word, beginning capital. Okay, so ini aset awal, senaraikan jumlah, dapat total assets minus total liabilities, So you akan dapat opening capital. Okay, you need to find the balance for your bank. Okay, so balance untuk bank, you are given here balance BF. This is balance BF, and here is all the receipts. You need to accumulate semua ni, campur, and then kita akan minus dengan payments. Okay, so kita akan dapat baki bank. Right, so baki bank is the opening balance plus receipt minus payments. So baki CF balance, CF for bank account is 10,844. Alright, so as usual, okay, kita letak sales, so there's no returns or discounts. Okay, so that is your net sales actually. So beginning inventory, and then minus plus purchase, and then terus minus ending inventory. You don't have any discounts, you don't have any returns, and you don't have any drawings, merchandise drawings. So tak ada apa-apa tolak dekat sini. You'll get your gross profit. Okay, gross profit tambah revenue. So where do I get that 8,000 from? I got it from my cash book. Okay, this is commission. Sebelah debit, that means kita terima duit. Alright, that is your revenue actually. Okay, so you have revenue, campur, dapat ni. So kita akan minus general expenses taken from the question. Salaries expense, the adjustment you made earlier. Batu rental, rental 9360. Okay, rental ambil direct sebab dia tak ada baki, 9360. Lepas tu for your non-current asset, okay, beginning you ada 26, right, and then ending you ada 25,200. So kita minus je. Okay, so the difference is actually your depreciation expense. Okay, so you have two depreciation expense. One is for your vehicle, the other one is for your furniture. Okay, so kita akan dapat net profit. Okay, for financial position macam biasa, just list down the balance. Okay, and this one as well. Owner's equity, kita dah kira opening capital. We plus with additional capital. Additional capital ambil dari soalan 1,800 plus the net profit just now you calculated 4316. So kita dapat ending capital 48,380. Okay, and you have two liabilities, so total altogether is 53,566. Okay, that is for question 8. Okay, next we go to question, sorry, that is for question 7. Next we go to question 8. Okay, yang ini is your cash book. Okay, this is cash column, this is a bank column. Alright, this is your beginning balance, and this is your ending balance. You kena cari untuk cash. That shouldn't be a problem here because your cash amount is 1,200. Your payment is only 500. Okay, so tolak sajalah. Alright, 1,200 minus 500, so the amount is actually 700. Okay, that will be the ending balance for your cash accounts. Okay, and then this is balance untuk asset and liability. Rental payable, baki awal kosong. Okay, so kita prepare accounts receivable, that means they ask for T accounts, and then we'll do the statement. Okay, so macam biasa, AR, you get your sales 21,500 campur dengan cash sales. So this is your total sales. Okay, next is your accounts payable. This is your beginning balance, your ending balance. Okay, this is the amount taken from the cash book. So purchase is 14,000. Tak ada cash purchase, so your purchase is only 14,000 ringgit. Okay, in the question itself pun tak ada additional information about drawings or additional capital. Okay, so this is your sales, beginning inventory plus purchase minus ending inventory, you get your gross profit. Okay, untuk expenses kita ada 2 depreciation, you have 2 non-current asset, wages expense ambil daripada cash book, insurance expense ambil dari cash book. Okay, rental expense yang ini kita buat adjustment. You tak buat account tadi. Okay, you go back to the question. Okay, rental is payable kan? Okay, so beginning balance is 0, ending balance is 500. Okay, so that is why for your rental, your cash paid is 1,500 minus 0 plus plus CF. This is payable, right? Cash paid is 1,500 plus CF 500 minus 0. So 0 is not shown in this question. Okay, so calculation you boleh buat kat sini je. You make sure you do it besides the item. So your rental expense is 2,000. So you get the net profit of 2,000, 2,900. Okay, alright. So for financial position macam biasa, this is your non-current asset, this is your current asset, so total altogether is 54,600 ringgit. Okay, as for the owner's equity, okay, opening capital yang ni 48,200. Okay, where do I get the opening capital from? Ambil dari mana? Macam biasa. Okay, so actually you need to show the calculations for the opening capital as well. Alright. Okay, so kita ambil semua asset, total beginning asset minus total beginning liabilities, you get your opening capitals. And then kita plus net profit, and this is cash sorry, cash drawings. Okay, and this is your liabilities. So total altogether is 54,600 ringgit. Okay, so yang ini untuk soalan 8. Okay, we go to soalan 9. This is a bit more tedious to answer. Okay, so here they don't give you in a form of table, but you need to take out the information given from the sentence. Okay, so yang ni baki awal, baki BF. You have your furniture inventory. Okay, sebab dia furniture business kan. Alright, so any furnitures that you bought is actually your inventory. Okay, and then dia ada AR, lepas tu dia ada AP, and then vehicles, this is non-current asset, and then office equipment. Okay, and this is expenses, tapi it's payable, so it's actually your liabilities. Okay, so dia bagi account bank, so this is balance 1 hari bulan baki BF, and this is ending balance. Okay, so you look here, alright, you ada AP, and then you have electric expense, phone expense, rental expense, advertising expense, office equipment. That means you buy additional office equipment. That is actually your asset, right? Okay, and then we'll refer to the additional information later. Lepas tu kita ada insurance expense, vehicle maintenance expense. This one you need to do adjustment with the balance given here, and this is your cash drawings. Okay, clear? Okay, soalan 1, additional information 1, dia bagi depreciation rate. So for vehicle is 20%, and for office equipment is 10%. Okay, so March 31st 2006, vehicle maintenance expenditure payable was 2,910. This is baki CF untuk vehicle maintenance expenditure, so we'll do the adjustment for this. And then dia bagi tahu prepaid insurance on 31st of this March 2006 is 1770. So you ada expenses dekat sini, paid 9460, tapi out of 9460 1770 is actually prepaid, so the rest will be your insurance expense. Tapi 1770 will be your prepaid insurance, so you need to deduct to find the insurance expense. Okay, additional information 3, a bit confusing. Okay, purchase of office equipment. Okay, so office equipment ni dia purchase in cash. Okay, that means this person took out 25,500, okay, to buy office equipment. Okay, so dia beli office equipment, one. Okay, and then what else dia beli dengan duit ni? Dia bought one jati table, 3,000, which has been sold to customer. That means beside buying assets, okay, that 25,500 ni, dia juga this is 20. Okay, hold on, sorry. This 25,500, okay, selain dia guna untuk office equipment, dia juga guna 3,000 untuk beli office jati table. Jati table, that means itu ialah furniture. Furniture is actually dia punya inventory, right? And dia jual kepada customer. So yang ni dia tak masuk inventory terus, dia beli dan dia terus jual. So this is dia punya cash sales. Okay, and then dia beli satu lagi jati chair, tapi dia guna sendiri. So actually this is not merchandise drawing, sebab benda tu tak ada dalam store. Tapi you ambil duit daripada kedai 25,500. From that 25,500, you buat 3 benda. Okay, termasuk beli meja, lepas tu jual pada customer 3,000, and then you ambil 2,500, you beli kerusi. But this kerusi doesn't belong to the business, this is yours. So actually this is not merchandise drawings. This is actually cash drawings. Okay, so kalau you tengok dekat sini, this 25,500 ni sebenarnya bukan semua untuk office equipment. Ada 3,000 untuk sales, and ada 2,500 untuk drawings. So your asset actually cuma 20,000 sahaja. Okay, alright, and then dia bagi balance. So kita prepare AR and AP. Okay, so AR macam biasa, you take the balance from your cash book. Okay, so ni payments in the cash book. So your sales is 462,150. Okay, alright. Okay, so then you have your sales 501360. Okay, here you have your purchase. Okay, tadi purchase ni kalau awak tengok, ini balance awal dalam cash book, dalam the bank account, di balance akhir. Alright, and this is the bank amount that you pay. Lepas tu ini nilai yang you cari lah. So this is your credit purchase. Okay, mana dapat 3,000 ni? 3,000 ni from here. Sebab dia bagi tahu tadi 3,000 ni dia beli inventory secara cash, tapi it's not recorded yet. Okay, alright, so this one will be included into your purchase. Sebab dia beli tadi, besides beli furniture, dia juga beli inventory. So 3,000 ni ialah cash purchase. So your purchase sebenarnya ialah 233,240. Okay, and then you boleh terus buat profit or loss. Okay, alright, so ini sales, ini beginning inventory, Okay, so purchase ni tadi kita kira, lepas tu tolak dengan ending inventory, so you get your gross profit 276650. Okay, expenses ini taken straight from your bank account. So electric expense ialah 10900, phone expense, okay, rental expense, alright, and then you have advertising. Okay, untuk insurance tadi dia dah bagi tahu kita bayar 9460, tapi dari 9460 ni 1770 is actually prepaid. So yang betul-betul expenses ialah 7690. Okay, alright. You need to do adjustment for vehicle maintenance expense. Okay, this is payable, right? Okay, so bila payable, your cash paid, okay, plus CF minus PF. So the vehicle maintenance expense ialah 19,750. Okay, depreciation untuk vehicle 51. Yang ni madam ambil straight daripada soalan. Okay, as you can see here, okay, vehicles kamu ialah 51,000, alright, and then office equipment is 42,000. Okay, nampak kan? Okay, ending dia tak bagi apa-apa balance. That means kita masih guna baki awal tu, betul? So kita cari depreciation untuk 1 tahun. So depreciation 1 tahun untuk vehicle is 51,000 times 20% lah. So 10200. Okay, jadi baki BF untuk vehicle is actually 50,000. Baki CF dia berapa? Baki CF dia ialah 51,000 minus 10,200. Yang ni kalau you nak kira ending capital nanti. Okay, what happened to office equipment? Okay, office equipment tadi dalam soalan baki BF dia bagi is 42,000. Tapi you keluarkan 25,500 tadi beli equipment, dan equipment you bernilai RM20. So this one you need to add up to here, baru boleh kira dia punya depreciation. Okay, the depreciation is 10%. So that will be 6,200. Okay, so kita akan dapat net profit 184,010. Okay, so soalan minta kita buat bonus equity saja. So kena kira dulu opening capital. So opening capital you akan ambil vehicle, office equipment, accounts receivable, furniture inventory, and also bank. And then kita akan minus dengan 2 ni. So you dapat 155430. Okay, so your opening capital is here. Kita plus dengan net profit yang kita kira tadi, and then kita minus drawing. Okay, drawings kalau you tengok dekat bank account is only 167430. Tapi tadi dia keluarkan duit, dan duit tu you guna sebagai membeli kerusi jati, right? So kerusi jati tu sebenarnya tak ada dekat kedai. So sebenarnya awak tak ambil merchandise, yang you ambil is actually money. And lepas you dapat duit tu you guna untuk beli kerusi. So you need to understand that is actually cash drawings. That's why kita tambah dekat sini. Okay, so your drawings is 169930. So ending capital is 169,510. Okay, alright. So yang ni is additional lah. Okay, question asks you to, soalan minta buat financial position as well. Okay, so for financial position macam biasa. Okay, untuk vehicle ni, sebab kita tidak diberi baki akhir, so I need to find the baki CF. So saya akan calculate dalam financial position. So vehicle asalnya RM51,000. Depreciation tahun tu ialah 10,200. So actually vehicle saya RM40,800. And office equipment asalnya 62. The accumulated depreciation is 6,200. 62 ni ialah 42,000 plus 20,000 tadi, Okay, so this is your non-current asset. Lepas tu this is your current asset. Okay, and then this is your ending capital campur dengan current liabilities. So we come down to the amount for your owner's equity and also liability. Okay, alright, we go straight to question 12. Okay, question 12 dia bagi sama juga cash book. Okay, so this is beginning balance and this is ending balance. Okay, awak tengok dia punya account ended 30th September 2009. Alright, kenapa madam tengok dia punya accounting period? Sebab satu, kalau you tengok additional information 1, okay, asset tu beli at the cost of 76,130 and 24,700 respectively in 2006 accounting year. Okay, bukan calendar year, accounting year. So I nak tahu dia punya accumulated depreciation, I need to calculate from the day I bought the asset. So the depreciation expense rate is 20% for motor van and 10% for equipments. Okay, okay, sekejap before we go to that. So number 2 is returns. This is also returns. Okay, yang ini is bad debt expense. Lepas tu dia bagi kamu baki asset dan liability. Okay, we go to the accounting period. Okay, so account tu habis tutup setiap 30 September 2008. Okay, so that means account ni start daripada 1 hari bulan 10 2005 hingga 30 hari bulan 9 2006. Okay, and then we have 1 hari bulan 10 2006 dia berakhir 30 9 2007, and then 1 hari bulan 10 2007 dia berakhir 30 hari bulan 9 2008. Okay, our closing is here. Okay, so 1 hari bulan 10 2008 hingga 30 hari bulan September 2008. Okay, why do I do this? Because saya nak cari bila saya beli aset. So the asset was bought in 2006 accounting year. Okay, accounting year maksudnya the first accounting year yang touch 2006 ialah sini. So ini sebenarnya ialah tahun di mana awak beli aset tadi. Alright, so kalau opening, okay, maksudnya bila baki awal aset saya tadi tu, aset tadi ialah 76,130, and sebab this is actually incomplete record, single entry, so maksudnya aset tu nanti tiap-tiap tahun dia akan tolak siap-siap dengan depreciation expense. So you tak boleh catat aset you sebagai 76,130 untuk BF. So kalau saya nak cari BF untuk motor van and also equipment, okay, pada 30 September 08, I tak boleh ambil terus nilai ni ya. So my 76,130 and also 24,700 tu tak boleh ambil terus sebab this is single entry, you kena minus dulu dengan depreciation. So how many years? So you beli dekat sini, so 1, 2 and this is 3 closing. So maksudnya dekat sini dia dah depreciate 3 kali. Okay, so beginning balance yang ini you kena minus dengan 3 kali depreciation expense. Yang ni pun sama, kena minus dulu dengan 3 kali depreciation expense. Sebab dia bagi awak nilai masa mula-mula beli saja, bukan baki awal 30 September 2008. So I kena cari bila I beli dan I kena kira depreciation so that I can calculate my beginning capital. Okay? Okay, so kita cari sales macam biasa. So this is your credit sales untuk Aina. Okay, kalau tengok dekat cash book, Okay, you have cash sales. So yang ni nanti akan tambah 9070. Okay. Lepas tu accounts payable, you dapat purchase 144,290. Okay, dalam cash book kita ada tambah, so we akan tambah 10,200. That will be your purchases. Okay, prepaid insurance in your balance, okay, in your cash book ada insurance expense. Okay, that is your cash paid. Okay, so dia akan jadi cash paid plus minus CF plus BF. Okay, so kalau you tengok, the cash paid is actually 2,400 minus CF. CF in the question is 700 ringgit, and then plus BF. BF ialah 1,100. Okay, sebab itu you dapat insurance expense 2,800 ringgit. Okay, salaries pun sama. This is your payable. So your cash paid kita akan tambah dengan CF, kita akan minus dengan BF. Okay, so salaries payable dalam payments is 18,200 plus CF. Okay, CF ialah 1,850 minus BF. BF is 2,550. That's why you come out with this amount. Salaries expense 17,500 ringgit. Okay, alright, so okay, so untuk income statement, comprehensive income statement, okay, you have your sales, yang ni campur tadi, Madam dah tunjuk, minus your sales return. This is in your additional information. So kita ada beginning inventory, and then kita ada purchase. Okay, you minus with your purchase returns, and then kita minus dengan ending inventory, kita dapat COGS lah. Okay, for your expenses, your rent is taken out straight from your cash book. Okay, electricity, electricity ni dia bagi okay, 1 minute ya. Okay, electricity ambil daripada cash book, sorry. Okay, and then telephone expense 1,350. Okay, dekat question tu ada typo alright. And then your salaries expense tadi kita buat adjustment 17,500 ringgit. Okay, motor expense motor van expense ni is taken from the cash book. Okay, lepas tu kita ada bad debts, and then depreciation ni kita kira tadi, yang Madam kira tadi. Alright, depreciation is straight line, so memang kita ambil straight daripada total dia bagi. So depreciation is 76,130 times 20%. Okay, ini untuk 1 tahun, sebab you nak cari depreciation expense, tapi nanti bila you cari accumulated depreciation, the amount is different. So yang ni pun sama untuk equipment. Insurance is the one that we did earlier. So awak dapat net loss 28,300 326. Okay, so kita kena buat owner's equity. So kena cari beginning capital. Okay, this is what I'm telling you earlier. Okay, awak ada bank AR, then you have inventory, prepaid insurance. Okay, untuk vehicle saya tak boleh ambil straight sebab ini adalah nilai semasa dia beli. Okay, sebab kita tahu kan bila kita guna single entry, that means every time dia bagi tu dia dah tolak siap-siap dengan accumulated depreciation. So bila account buka pada 1 hari bulan 10 tu, baki untuk vehicle is actually 76,130 ni dah minus 3 kali depreciation. So ini sebenarnya baki BF untuk vehicle kamu. Okay, yang ini awak kena faham betul-betul sebab soalan tak bagi baki untuk asset pada 30 September 2008. Alright. Okay, and this is for accumulated depreciation for equipment, sama juga, has been depreciated for 3 years. So this is the accumulation. So ini adalah baki awal untuk equipments. Okay, so this is asset minus liabilities. So you akan dapat beginning capital 121372. So this amount here kita bawa ke sini. Okay, so kita minus net loss, kita minus drawings, and you get your ending capitals 91246. Okay, so that one is for question 12. Okay, we go straight to question 13. Okay, dia ada baki asset, dia tak ada bagi baki cash book in a form of cash book. Alright, tapi dia bagi you dalam bentuk additional information. So still you need to use analysis method sebab dia bagi you cash sales, dia bagi cash purchase, dia bagi payments, and then payment received with the, together with the discount. Alright, and then yang ini Haji Nazmi receive deposit. This is actually unearned revenues. Okay, lepas tu dia bayar sewa, dia bayar salaries. Okay, dalam baki account tak ada salaries ataupun sewa, so that means tak ada adjustment lah. Cuba kita kena cari baki bank saja. Okay, alright, so macam biasa baki hold on, this is cash purchase, cash sales, cash at bank. Okay, so kita nak cari baki. So masukkan baki awal daripada soalan. So senaraikan semua penerimaan and then senaraikan semua pembayaran. So you'll get your CF. So CF is actually 5610. Okay, alright. Untuk AR, sales kamu 2270. Untuk AP, purchase kamu 3520. Okay, so boleh terus buat income statement. So this is sales, this is purchases, and then you have discount. You don't have any merchandise drawings, so kita terus dapat gross 410 minus rent expense, salaries expense, and depreciation expense. Okay, where do I get my depreciation expense from? Okay, depreciation expense sebab awak ada dalam soalan kan dia dah bagi. Okay, depreciation expense is calculated from here. Sebab you tengok dekat sini, your office equipment sama je nilai, so dia tak tolak. Okay, tapi berapa sebenarnya depreciation expense for 1 year? You refer to this. Okay, so asalnya, okay, accumulated depreciation ada 3230, tapi hujung tahun dia jadi 3650. That means ada peningkatan. That is the depreciation expense untuk tahun tersebut, nilai 420. So that's how I get my depreciation expense for my office equipment. Okay, so kita kira beginning capital. So beginning capital is cash. accounts receivable, inventory, office equipment 8,300. Yang ni tak ada masalah sebab kita tak tahu bila dia beli. So consider the amount that is given is actually the beginning balance. Okay, lepas tu kita akan minus accumulated depreciation sebab you nak cari baki terkini pada 30 hari bulan tu. How much is actually your office equipment? So ini ialah office equipment pada baki awal. And then you have only one liabilities, so kita minus, so kita dapat beginning capital 15,190. Okay, so untuk statement of financial position macam biasa, you list out all your assets. Okay, tapi since your office equipment dia masih bagi 8,300, so I kena minus dengan accumulated depreciation lah. Okay, alright, yang ni silap sikit ya. The office equipment should be up here. Alright, this is your non-current, right? Whereas below that is your current liabilities. Okay, and then you get your office, owner's equity. Okay, so dapat net loss tadi 2090. So this is your total owner's equity, and then your liabilities, so that brings up the total to 17,670. That is for number 13. Okay, so that's about all for your tutorials. Okay, so thank you.